Poser 7 includes memory dots that allow you to save poses, camera locations, and user interface preferences, and to easily switch between these items with a single mouse click. Clicking the arrow to the left of the description lets you see the desired set of memory dots. We can set dots for poses, for cameras, or for the UI or the user interface. So you can change this interface around because all of these elements are floatable. You just grab the description and you can move them anywhere in the workspace and leave them there. And then you can change the workspace by selecting one of the dots. To use the memory dots, just set up the space or pose or camera or any way you want to, and then select the type of dot you want. We'll do a pose. I'm going to pose this figure. And all I'm doing is selecting different body parts in the hierarchy. And every time I select a body part in the hierarchy, the appropriate dials appear. Okay, so we have a pose, and now I just simply select the dot to hold that pose, and the dot highlights. That means that the pose is selected.